So now we are here to discuss about PT-based lecture on a solar panel cleaning robot. So this device is named called as solar panel cleaning robot. What is the objective of this panel is to clean the surface of solar panel. Yes, what we install the solar panel in the roof of any building or any structure. After some time, there is a possibility of to have the rust on the surface of the solar panel. Yes, once the rust is deposited on the surface of the solar panel means there is a high possibility there is a deficiency in the effectiveness of the solar panel. Once the solar panel is cleaned, there is an effective heat absorption by the solar panel from the sun. So that is why we are here to create this equipment or device called a solar panel cleaning robot. So this solar panel cleaning robot is controlled by a remote. So we can control by remote. Once this solar panel is placed on the surface of the solar panel, yes, this device placed on the solar panel, by means of remote, we can control the entire motion. So here we see there is a battery control, and this is the water tank, and after that it is there is a brush on the brush in front of this equipment. Once this equipment is rolled over the surface of the solar panel, this water tank and this is connected to the nozzle. This nozzle will spread the water in the surface of solar panel. So by means of with the help of the solar panel press, this entire solar panel is cleaned completely. So that is the purpose what we can create this solar panel cleaning robot. So here you will see one by one we will explain this what are the individual components placed in this device and what is the purpose of this individual part, right?
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to see about solar panel cleaning robot, sir. So basically it is used for cleaning the solar panel by the main parts of brush and tank, nozzle, with the help of 12-volt battery, sir. Then and the four wheels contains each motor, sir, which helps to move the vehicles in all terrains. Then all the electronics have been controlled by this ESP32. So this ESP32 is connected with the battery, and these are the sensors used for these motors and everything. So it has a safety purpose for use also. For programming the ESP32, Arduino UNO software is used. So the coordinates where should the vehicles, where should this robot move will be feeded to this ESP32 by the Arduino software. So using that, this 12-volt battery will supply the electricity to all the motors connected to the wheels. So a separate motors connected to this brush. So simultaneously when this vehicle is moving, the brush will be rotated and the water pump will spray some water in front of the brush. So it will facilitate cleaning over this one.
So sir, using a grid wheel, sir. So solar panel have a gas tank. So sliding the this wheel. So we use the grid wheel to clean the. Here the flow hose is filled in the container, and the nozzle is placed the heavy force to clean the stains in the solar panel. And the solar panel is gradient about some degrees. So the grip tires are used. So the tires cannot be slipped in the solar panel. Heat materials are used to support and carry the load of the water tank and battery, and some sensors are used for a less weight purpose. The motors are connected when the vehicle is turned on the switch. The vehicle can run easily. The motor connected and the brush and rotated. The water was poured here and the vehicle panel was clean. Thank you.
Guys, I have few questions on you, right? So what is the purpose of to clean the surface of solar panel? So motion.
So it is important because in summer times the panels have been very dust and muddy. So we have to clean it for achieve the sunlight and the solar panel. So it is very important for us. So it is protected by
question on you. So what is the advantage and disadvantage of the solar panel or solar energy?
Sir, solar energy is renewable energy.
Yes, very good. It's a renewable energy resources, right?
Sir, we can continuously use the energy to make our work. So for using these robots, which they can also be powered using solar energy. So solar is a renewable energy. So we can use it continuously and power our facilities in the
Yes, so we can store the energy during the daytime in the battery means so that night time we can use the energy from the